Oh, you're finally awake. Hi there. Oh my, you know my name. Yes, it's Toga Himiko. I can't believe you know my name. What? Is that how you behave to your fan? Someone who's admired you for a very, very long time? Where are you? Well, isn't it obvious, pretty one? You're in the base of the League of Villains. We've captured you here by orders, and I volunteered when I heard it was you. It's a pure coincidence. I was thinking about how delicious your blood would taste, and here you are, right in front of my eyes, all tied up. What a beautiful coincidence. I finally get to taste your blood. I bet it will taste so delicious. You don't know how excruciating long Shigaraki-kun made me wait. You don't know how long I had to wait, and now my patience has run out. I just want to run a knife through your arm and watch your blood drip red, so dark red, and I can imagine how delicious it would taste. I bet it would taste so delicious. Unfortunately, or fortunately for me, we can't let you go. Doesn't that make you scared? All tingly in your body, knowing that any time I could hurt you or kill you and leave your body to rot. But I won't, because I love you too much. Oh, if I killed you right here, right now, it would give me so much satisfaction. But it would make me so sad, because you won't be here anymore to save the day, just like the rest of the heroes. It's funny. You have such amazing ideals, such inspiring goals, yet you are so blind to what the agency says. Don't act confused. You're just ignorant. Just like how I am. I know you won't let me touch you or drink your blood, yet I still imagine that it happens. We're both blind to love. We both just want what we want. And we're blind because we don't want to face reality that it's never going to happen.